Questions about mindfulness meditation answered. When you are new to meditation, it's natural for questions to come up often. These answers may help settle your mind. 1. If I have an itch, can I scratch it? Yes, however, first try scratching it mentally before using your fingers. 2. Should I breathe fast or slow or in between? Only worry if you've stopped breathing. Otherwise, you're doing fine. Breathe in whatever way feels comfortable to you. 3. Should my eyes be open or closed? There are no set rules on the eyes being open or closed. Try both. If open, not too wide, and with a soft, slightly downward gaze, not focusing on anything in particular. If closed, not too hard, and not imagining anything in particular in your mind's eye. 4. Is it possible that I am someone who just cannot meditate? When you end up asking that question, your meditation has formally begun. Everybody wonders that. Escort your attention back to your object of focus, the breath. Once you're lost in questioning once more, come to the breath once more. That's the flow. There's no limit to the number of times you'll be able to be distracted. Simply return back to the breath. Meditating isn't a race to perfection, it's returning once more and once more to the breath. 5. Is it better to practice in a group or by myself? Both are great. It's enormously supportive to meditate with others. And, practicing on your own builds discipline. 6. What's the best time of day to meditate? Whatever works. Consider your circumstances, children, pets, or work. Experiment. But watch out. If you always choose the most convenient time, it will usually be tomorrow. 7. What if I get sexually and physically aroused by thoughts in my head? No big deal. Meditation stokes the imagination. In time, every thought and sensation will come up. Release the thought, bring awareness and receptivity to body sensations, bring attention back to your breath. 8. Do you have any tips on integrating pets into meditation practice? While meditating, we don't have to fight off distractions, the night-slaying dragons. If your dog or cat comes into the room and barks and meows and brushes up against you, or settles down on a part of your cushion, no big deal. Let it be. What works less well is to interrupt your session to relate to them. If that's what's going to happen, try to find a way to avoid them interrupting your session. 9. How much should I meditate? Meditation is no more complicated than what we've described before. It is that simple and that challenging. It's also powerful and worth it. The key is to commit to meditating every day, even if it's for 5 minutes. It is said that the most important moment in your meditation practice is the moment you start to do it. Because right then you're saying to yourself that you believe in change, you believe in caring for yourself, and you're making it real. You're not just holding some value like mindfulness or compassion in the abstract, but really making it real. This is the end of the session. We hope you have a mindful motivation day.